In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload files in HubSpot so you can use images, videos, and documents across your content. Start by opening your HubSpot dashboard and going to the Content section in the left sidebar. From there, click on Files to open the File Manager. Next, once you're inside the File Manager, look for the Upload Files button at the top right and click on it. Now, your computer's file browser will open. Select the file or files you want to upload, then click Open to begin the upload. You can also drag and drop files directly into the File Manager if you want a faster way to upload multiple items. After that, wait a few seconds while HubSpot processes the upload. Once it's done, your files will appear in the File Manager automatically. From here, your uploaded files are ready to use in emails, landing pages, blog posts, or anywhere else in HubSpot. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded files in HubSpot, making it easy to manage and use your content in one place.